So I am going to be putting on this wig, which is one of my favorites, and using the got2b glue. Although my wigs are glueless, sometimes you just want that little extra bit of security. Let me just comb this out real quick. So she's pretty. I really love her. I love the color of this wig. So I usually don't use anything to secure my wigs down, but sometimes the lace isn't perfect, and then I maybe will want some extra security, like if I'm going out where it's really windy or something. But this is what the wig looks like before any glue right here. You guys see, it's not glued down. Let me show you guys on the live here. So this is what the wig looks like without being glued down. So it still gives you a really good look. I love it. I really don't have to use any got2b glue. That's the great thing about the wigs from Magic Hair Company, is you don't have to use any glue. You can, so if you're somebody who wants that little extra bit of security, then you definitely can. And I'll show you how to do that today. This is one of my favorite wigs. I hope you guys like it too. If I look like I'm at a weird angle, it's because I'm talking to two different cameras here. But my wigs are really secure without the glue. But I know some people just want that extra bit of security with the got2b glue, so I'm going to show you how to quickly put it on. So what I'll do is I'll kind of pin my top hair back here. Sometimes I'll do it that way, sometimes I'll do a flip, and you see over here, this little bit of baby hair side lace right here. Hopefully you guys are picking this up on the camera. That's what you just kind of pull down, and that's what you're going to spray this glue on. You can get this at Walmart, CVS, Target, any of those places. Of course it doesn't want to work. Oh, there we go, okay. So I just do a quick spray all the way around. Not too much, not too little, just a good spray there. Lay it down. This is the time where, like, if you want to lay out some baby hair, you can, but I just, you know, I want to get it done nice and laid down. Nobody's really looking at baby hair all the time, depending on what you're doing. So I'm just gonna kind of comb a little bit of hairs out here. Just a little bit. Ooh, getting a hair on my eye there. Kind of just stick this down a little. And I'm going to use one of these. You can use whatever, just to add a little bit of pressure right where you sprayed that, the hairspray. And it's really easy. So I don't like using all of those white glues where you have to dry it and do, you know, the more liquid, well, I guess hairspray is liquid, but the more skilled glue types, I'm not good with those. So yeah, that's it. And then I'll keep this on here for about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes I'll add some cool air if it's a little too wet like it is now. I didn't bring my blow dryer over here. Let me go grab it. But you know, if you're just getting ready in the morning, this is all you need to do. And then, you know, just continue to do your makeup. It is a little moist. So I'm going to grab the blow dryer, which you don't really need unless you're just trying to speed up the time. Let me go grab it. I don't even know where the blow dryer is, so I won't worry about that. We'll just pretend that I'm blow drying this hairline. I'm going on cool air, not warm, so shh, fake blow dryer, shh, fake blow dryer, shh, fake blow dryer, shh, fake blow dryer, shh, on cool air, fake blow dryer until it's dry. And then I would take this off. I'm gonna give it another second to dry. But yeah, that's it. That's why I like using the got2b spray. It's really simple, really easy. Usually I will use the blow dryer on this to cool it if I do a little bit too much like I did now. And then I'll finish getting ready, and then I'll tear this band off. And you're good to go. So that just gives you that little extra bit of stick on the front of your hairline, and that's it. So now, you know, you can really pull your hair back up like this, and you get a whole hairline and all that goodness there because you glued all that hair down with a very, very light adhesive. So there you go. That's what to use if you want to pull your hairline up, ladies and gentlemen. And that sticks it down. I use the got2b freeze blasting spray. You can get this at a lot of places, and that is how you can easily secure your glueless lace wig. So you see it's nice and tacked down there. Very easy, very simple. She's not going anywhere. And then at nighttime, when I get home in the evening, I can still just lift her up. So it's just a nice, perfect little stick there. And you see now that hairline's not going to move. It's not going to go anywhere. And that is how you can secure a glueless lace wig from Magic Hair Company. We're located here in Culver City. This is our store. That is how you can easily secure a glueless lace wig from Magic Hair Company using the got2b spray. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Come visit us here in store. Let us make you a custom wig. We do custom color, and we have lots of wigs in store. Thanks for watching. Bye.